Hello, my name is Keontae Haney. I will be doing a slideshow presentation on nonverbal communication. The nonverbal communication that I see is that it doesn't look like she wants to take the picture. From the angle that she's standing at, she's not looking at the camera. My perception is that her gesture of one hand behind her back is saying, please don't touch me. She is not really smiling and she appears to be hot and tired. She doesn't really look happy. The man in the picture is smiling. He is looking happy. The way he has his hand on his head is like the wind is blowing through his hair. The leaves on the trees are gone, and he's wearing a long sleeve shirt. It looks like it could be cool out. It appears as if he's working, and he may be happy about the job that he's doing. It seems like he's experiencing pleasure in the moment that he's in. The lady in the picture is smiling. She is sitting upright in a relaxed position. The way her arms and legs are crossed, like she's in an open position. She looks comfortable and happy. Her attention is focused on the camera and the person that's taking the picture. The way the lady's eyes are looking, she looks as if she doesn't want to take the picture. She looks annoyed. The way she holds her arms is as if she's guarding herself. She doesn't look happy. The other ladies in the picture are looking like they're not bothered by taking the picture. It looks like a family in this picture. The family could consist of the lady in the front being the daughter or the granddaughter, the lady to the right seems as if she's the mother of the lady in front, and maybe the daughter of the lady standing next to her. And the lady on the left appears to be a grandmother figure. She looks like she's the grandmother of the family. They stand very close together, like they are comfortable with each other. Thank you for your time.